Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you set time in Iqoo phone guys. You can see guys my time is not good guys, it's wrong time guys. I want to set now time. So guys, how can you set your phone time in Iqoo phone guys? Today I'm going to tell you about this setting. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set time in Iqoo phone. So first of all friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start with friends. First of all, open your phone setting guys, click on system setting. This system setting guys, click on date and time, click on time, and guys click on this option. And guys, now time is 12:36. Sorry friends, 12:36. And guys, time is PM. Then guys, you can see OK option. Guys, you will click on OK option. This 12:36 PM. Then OK. So now you can see my time has set 12:36 PM. So I think friends, we have understood how to set time in Iqoo phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.